Hey there, today we're going to discuss address arithmetic in pointers. So let's get started. Let me go ahead and maximize this editor, and as you can see I have this file created earlier for ex46 underscore more address arithmetic.c. So address arithmetic can also be thought of as pointer arithmetic because the operations involve pointers. Besides using the plus and minus symbol or sign to refer to the next and previous memory locations, you can use the assignment operators to change the address the pointer contains. So to better understand this, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to create an array. So 5 elements, and then let's just create the random values just like before. Let's create the pointer. And then I'm going to assign the array to the pointer. So again, let me put a comment in here that this will going to point to the first array element. Then let's display this. Let's call the function printf. So what this line does, it will going to display 22, or the first element of the array. And then let's increment, or let's move from one address to another using this operator. So let's call the printf function again to see if this is correct. And then so this will now have the value of 33. It's going to jump from one address to another. So let's proceed to the next line. This time we're going to add and assign the value 3 to the pointer. And instead of typing, why not just copy this line of code just like that and paste it in here. And let me just double check it's correct, and then let's proceed to the next line. This time we're going to decrement. We're going to use the minus minus, then display, then the printf function. And this time we're going to subtract and assign the value 2 to the pointer. So subtract and assign 2 to the pointer, and display it again using the printf function. So let's go ahead and run this real quick to see the results. Compile and run, and we should be able to see the values of our array plus their memory locations. So the program output is similar to this. If you're getting a different address or memory address location, that's totally fine, since I'm using a different machine, you're using a different machine, so it's going to have to be a different memory location for you. So when a pointer is incremented, the memory address increases by the number of bytes being pointed to. So that's why from index 0, 1, 2, and 3, it has a different addresses. So in this program, the pointer increases by 4 when the increment operator is used, ptr++, because the pointer is pointing to an integer. So just a quick note that you can also use the equal sign double equal, or is equal, less than, and greater than operators to compare pointer addresses. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercises for you on this tab that I have created earlier. So I want you to type in a code to increase the pointer using the increment operator and output the stored value. So as you can see, I have this program created earlier, and there's a missing piece of information that needs to be filled in by you. So if you know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.